Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. If you are new here, welcome. And if you guys are existing subscribers, welcome to the channel and welcome to the vloggy vlog. So yeah y'all, so I'm driving right now. I'm on my way to a dance recital. My cousin's daughter is dancing today, and then I also have my niece with me. If you guys don't know, my niece is 18 months old. She's the only girl and very spoiled and always get her way every single time. But I'm on my way following my cousin now in the car, and I don't know how long this little dance recital will be for today, which it doesn't matter because I don't have much to do today, so it's not really a big deal. And then after we leave here, me and my niece is most likely probably going to get a cookie from Crumbl, and I'm gonna let her choose what flavor we can eat today. So that should be fun to let her choose what flavor we can eat today. And after that, I don't know what else I might have planned for today. I don't want to do too much. So that's what I have going on right now. I just wanted to pick up the camera and just take you guys along with me. I'll let you guys also see my little cousin dancing and the other different teams. So cute. Like, I just hope and pray that my niece will look at her gum. Yeah, look at her gum. Look at her gum. Look at her gum. I pray and hope that my niece decide that she I hope that she fall in love with dance, volleyball, any sports, but I really hope that she fall in love with some kind of like girlies type of thing, like cheerleading, dance, stuff like that. Like, I hope that she decide that she really liked it, because the way how her brothers be doing her and handling her, I'm scared she might be a basketball player. Ain't no wrong with being a basketball player. No, I guess I just want her to be more like on the girly side. But yeah, whatever she decide to do, I'll be there cheering her on. So yeah, that's about that rant. And I literally don't have anything else to do, I think. Not right now, but if I do decide to do something else, you guys are coming along with me. And then yeah, I just wanted to open up the vlog and let you guys know what was going on today, and I'll see you guys in a little bit.
I don't wanna try, I'm too late. We don't need a sour and some slow. I just gonna vibe and choke it, and you gonna decide we can blow. I don't wanna strive, I'm too late. Everything around wanna move slow. I just gotta vibe and choke it. All I wanna do is get you blown. Girl, I don't wanna strive, I'm too late. We don't need a sour and some slow. I just gonna vibe and choke it, and you gonna decide we can blow. I don't wanna strive, I'm too late. Everything around wanna move slow. I just gotta vibe and choke it. All I wanna do is get you. Girl, I don't wanna strive, I'm too late. We don't need a sour and some slow. I just gotta vibe and choke it, and you gonna decide we can blow.
So hey y'all, we just getting to McDonald's. I'm about to get me and the baby some nuggets. Nuggets and fries, something quick and easy to eat right quick, because I really think it's time to eat for her, because she had breakfast this morning, she had a snack, and it's like 3:53 right now, and it's time for her to eat. So I'm about to get us some nuggets and fries. She already got her little drink, but I'm gonna make sure I'm gonna get a little ice so I could be able to refreshing her drink up, so it could be cool, because it is 90 degrees out here. It's really hot, like it's really hot. So I'm about to order right now, y'all. Hold on. Dede, yay. Y'all, I never tasted. Oh, hold on. Hi, yes, can I get 2 of your 4-piece chicken nuggets? So yeah y'all, I never tasted the glazed pull apart donuts, the cinnamon roll, the apple fritter, or none of that from McDonald's. I guess I don't need it. I'm just saying, it look good, but I don't need it. So I'm gonna go ahead and get my food right quick. Me and her gonna eat, and after we eat, with our bags in, we gonna thank you.
Barbecue ranch and ketchup, correct?
Yeah, that's right.
They all under the fries.
All right, thank you. So I just got our food. I was just about to say, I hope another car don't pass me by. Look at y'all. Then grab the fry. It's hot. Oh, it ain't hot here. It ain't that hot here. Here, no, hold it with your hand. Hold it with your hand. I'm not gonna feed it to you. You gotta learn how to feed your own self. Well, I'ma eat it. I swear she think I'm her mama. Say mama.
Mama.
Dada.
Dada.
Point to your nose. Point to your head. I'm gonna let y'all leave.
Everything around when I move slow, I just couldn't find the show. All I wanna do is get you done, and I don't wanna try.
Alright, y'all, so me and my niece just got in the car. Sanitize our hands. Gotta sanitize our fingers. And we're gonna indulge, okay? We do not whine over here. We big girls over here. Give me your hand, girl. You sanitize your fingers. Get all the germs away. Alrighty. Got all the germs off the fingers. We about to get ready to eat some cookies. You ready? Well, we really got... Yay! Also, we just got in the car. We gotta cook Crumbl. We got the cookie Crumbl. And then we got... This is what we have. And I'm about to sit her up so she could eat because she's ready to tear it down. And I only got one because I don't know how it tastes. So let me sit her right here and eat and give her some because baby, she wants some too, honey. Let me see if I can move the thing so y'all can see how she be eating. Watch. So now you gotta tell the people if it's good or not when you eat it, okay? You gotta say or you're not gonna say nothing at all, okay? It's good? I'm not, you ain't saying nothing at all. I think the rock mean is good. That's the rock. Now let me taste it. It's good. It's good. You like it? You like it, huh? It's good. So this is my first time eating from Cookie Crumbl and I've been itching to get to them. But me and her are about to eat this. And my sister called and said something about her and her sons, they're going to the escape room. I told her I'll pass on the escape room. I don't want to go to no escape room. Me and the baby will find something else to do. Yeah. You don't want to move? Today's Saturday, so we get to cheat. But not all day, but just cheat. Here. Brownie. Save the best for last, huh? So she had her nuggets, her fries, and now she got her little snack. And I got a snack too. So, but yeah, y'all, we about to eat this and then indulge in this, and then after that, I'll get back with y'all. I just want to show y'all we stopped at Cookie Crumbl.
Is it wrong? Is it right? You know that I'm missing you. I be getting mixed signals while you slow down. Don't stop this green light. Now you gotta be special when you know I can't have you. When I'm under the next one, oh, now you want to get aggressive. Oh, do you mean you keep on making me believe nightmares turn into a dream? If you're so toxic to me, what am I feeling? Cause I thought it was over. Got me thinking my feelings over. You keep doing it over and over. You keep calling me back. I'm just
Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you are new here, welcome to the channel, and if you guys are existing subscribers, welcome to the vlog. So on this channel you guys will be seeing vlogs, beauty, skincare, lifestyle, and etc. Whatever I feel like posting, you guys will see it, you guys will be here for it, and you guys will hopefully enjoy it. And tap that like, subscribe, and comment if you want to. So there's no pushy over here, but if you enjoy my content, please like, subscribe, and comments that you was here. So y'all, right now what I'm doing is I'm cooking some dinner. What I got going on right now is I am doing some pasta, which will be shrimps and sausage, and then I season it really well, and then I will have my pasta on the stove with when it started boiling. But before it started boiling, I added my salt and my cooking oil so it won't stick, and then also give the noodles a little bit of taste with a little bit of salt in there. I ended up grabbing some while the noodles was inside. I let it started boiling for a little while, a good little minute, and I took some water out there and I applied it to my shrimps and my sausage with the seasoning and all that was already in there. I added the water inside of that with some heavy whipping cream, and I think I gotta add something else, y'all. I can't remember, but anyways, so on the side I got with that is some garlic bread that we're gonna eat today. So that's what I'm doing today. And then also I also wanted to let y'all know, like, girl, even though I know gas prices are going up, groceries is high as hell. Groceries is high as goddamn hell, excuse my French. But girl, I went to the grocery store like last week, and what we do is now that we let everything, like whatever we eat in the house, we let everything kind of run low, and I only make one big trip. I spent $150 on the food, but it feel like what $150 went. The cart looked huge, but then it's like, okay, I just made groceries. So groceries is definitely expensive as well. So oh my god, like I have to really budget and just really know exactly what I'm spending my money on, what need to be bought and what not need to be bought, because y'all, I find myself purchasing seasonings, the same seasonings twice. Where they do that here? So I was like, well, let me go ahead and just start making a little inventory. So I got my little tablet here. I'm about to start doing my inventory because I bought this little thing from Walmart, y'all. This little rolly thing from Walmart, and what it does is has a little, the bottom of it, I put on the screen what it's called, but I can't remember what it's called right now. As you know, every time I get on camera I can't remember what it is. I have like 4 of those, and I might end up ordering me some little bottles with the label on there from Amazon. I may just do that. I'm gonna see, I don't know yet, but as of now they're in their regular containers, and I'm gonna go ahead and jot down everything that I have, so now whenever I go shopping I can just know what I have and what I don't have, and not to keep making the same mistake and picking up the same stuff twice when I could be replacing it with something that we don't have. So that's what I'm about to do. And then I'm about to not just do with the seasoning, I'm also about to do with the food in the freezer and then the food in the fridge at the bottom, because I want to jot down what dressings we have and all that extra stuff. But y'all get what I'm saying. So I really want to just keep inventory of that. Like I used to do it before, but it's like I stopped and I got a little lazy. But now I need to get back doing it. So that's what I'm doing. I'm about to do in a little bit. I'm about to go stir my noodles up, and once I stir my noodles up, I'm gonna go ahead, and I've been testing them to see if they're soft yet, but it can go for another 5 to 8 minutes so they can be soft, because I don't like no hard noodles. They should be soft. And y'all, want to tell y'all, I went to, was it Burlington, and I'm gonna show you, I got my dog's pee pad, 100 for $19.99 if you're a dog mom. Some dog pads, the extra large training pads for dogs and puppies, the extra large, and girl, I got it at Burlington for $19.99. And how many? 100 pads. This is a 26 by 30, and girl, before my husband was purchasing these, and they only come in how many? They only come in 18. So I told him, I said, well, since I already found something extra large. So to save him a headache, instead of him going every week to buy a pack, I said let me go ahead and grab this big pack. And guess what, they had like 3 packs left, and I was like, well, I'm gonna just start going there and getting their pee pads, because as a fur mom, puppy mom, you want to stay on top of your stuff with them, because girl, dogs are expensive. We have to actually take them to get their shots soon too. They do their yearly shots and everything up to date every year. We just got an email a couple days ago saying that we need to take them to get their shots, so we're gonna be working on that as well. So I'm about to go ahead and finish up my food, and I'm gonna show you the end results once I get done, because I have to still do my inventory and see what all I have, what all I don't have, and what all I need to get. But hopefully I don't need to get anything else, because I still have to go through stuff in the cabinet, because I'm thinking I may have to go through some things. It might be outdated, and then some stuff that I'm not using, I may have to get that away to the neighbors or my sister or my brother or somebody, because I don't want to throw it away. But it won't be outdated, it's just that I'm not using it anymore. So that's what I'm about to do right now. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up the food before my husband get in from work, and then I'll probably pick y'all back up in a little bit.
Over and over, 'cause you keep calling me back. La, 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 la. Why you keep calling me back? Back. Love needing you switch up. I'd rather we never pick up, but can we slip up and mix up sometimes? You say it don't mean it, just want it when it's convenient. Am I crazy for waiting on my side? Now you calling me special when you know I can't have you. When I'm under the next one, oh, now you want to get aggressive. Oh, do you mean you keep on making me bleed? Nightmares turn into a dream. If you're so toxic to me, what am I feeling? 'Cause I thought it was over. Got me thinking my feelings over. You keep doing it